So this is actually the code part of the ClusterVision project. Here we can see. So I'm not going to explain the coding part. Here I am mainly focusing on the clustering vision project demo. So first I will start. Simply run app.py. So this is the app.py file which contains the Streamlit code for the UI for the clustering vision app. Okay, now first we need to upload the file. Here I have the two files, so actually second file I will choose. So after selecting the file, I will get to know what are the different uh, rows are there. So actually these are the first 10 rows of the data set. So first I will close this. Then after that I have the added the feature of selecting the feature selection, different features in our data set. So I will select the spending score, income and age. We can also select the categorical feature, but as per a problem statement, the categorical feature is uh, mainly excluded. So here I am going to experiment with different clusters. So here I am setting the maximum cluster value as 20 so that we'll able to know that for different clusters what is the performance. So this is the graph of within cluster sum of square versus number of clusters. So this is the very popular method called elbow method to get to know the value of k, which will be the best value of k for our data. Here we can say that for the value like 6 to 7, this is the most probable value because this is the elbow point at which the error starts reducing. So this can be our probable k value for k means clustering. After that we can also download this clustering diagram with this function, this button. So yes, you can see easily this is the. So next part is sellout score. So actually sellout score, which is a matrix which is mainly used for analyzing the goodness of fit of our clusters. So whenever I select, it will show the clusters. So here we can clearly see that higher the sellout score, better the clustering fit. So we can say that for 6, number 6, for k value 6 means if there are 6 clusters in our data set, our sellout score is becoming more, we can say, higher than compared to the other. So we can select sellout score as sorry, we can select the k value as 6. Now we can download also this plot. Now let's go for the next part. So now here is the best k value. After analyzing all these graphs, found that 6 is the best value for our clustering. So this is the button for apply clustering. Whenever I select the apply clustering, it will apply the clusters for the given data points, for the given features that we have selected. So here we can see the first 5 records of a cluster we can download directly. But before this I want to show the clustering visualization. So as I have selected the 3 clusters, so it will show the 3D clustering. So we can clearly see that all the clusters are properly uh, built, properly created, and we can easily see that all the clusters are clearly uh, clearly distinguishing each other. Some of the clusters are kind of have in what you can say the intersections, but which is fine. So that's the 3D visualization. We can also download this plot, but actually we cannot download this 3D plot. We can just take the snapshot of it. I will close it. Then if you want to download we can download that cluster data. If I select the cluster data download, then we can open that file and we'll get to know that there are the different four to five different clusters which are assigned to the each record in our original dataset. So this dataset is the original dataset that we have uploaded, and here is the one column that is appended, that is clusters that we have done during our process. So this is the final dataset after applying the clustering, which you can save. And that's it. That's it. Thank you. That's the part of the that that's all the about the cluster vision. Thank you.